Hi and hello everyone. Today, my group are going to present problem-based assignment 1 for the course DFP50463, Java-based applications development. Our project is called Sunflower Beauty Wellness Booking System. Sunflower Beauty Wellness is a beauty and wellness service that provides different treatment package and optional add-on services. For this project, we developed a Java Swing-based booking system to make the appointment booking process easier, faster, and more organized. The system allows users to enter customer information, select a membership type, choose a treatment package, select an optional services, and automatically calculate the total price. The system also generates a booking receipt and provides validations to make sure that information entered by the user is correct. In these presentations, we will explain the requirement, problem statement, objective, proposed system, GUI design, layout management, business logic, event handling, testing, teamwork, and lastly is the conclusions. Now, let's move on to the assignment requirement. For the assignment requirement, our system needs to demonstrate several important Java Swing concepts. First, we need to create a graphical user interface, or known as GUI, that allows users to interact with the booking system. We use several GUI components such as JFrame, JLabel, JTextField, JRadio button, button group, JCombo box, JCheckbox, JTextArea, and JButton. The JFrame is used as the main window of our applications. JTextField is used for customer information, while JRadio and button group are used for membership selections. JCombo box is used for selecting the treatment package, and JCheckbox is used for selecting optional add-on services. JTextArea is used to display the booking receipt, while JButton is used for actions such as book appointment, reset form, and exit the system. Another important requirement is layout management. Our system does not use non-layout or absolute positioning. Instead, we use layout managers to organize the components professionally. For system interactions, action listener is used to handle button actions. The system also needs input validations. For example, customer information cannot left empty, and the contact number must follow the required Malaysian mobile number format. Finally, the business logic must calculate the package price, add-on price, and VIP discount correctly. The required calculations is package price plus add-ons minus discount equal the net total. These requirements are implemented in our booking system. Next is our problem statement. There are three main problems that we identified. The first problem is manual booking. Customer details and appointment choices that may need to be recorded manually. This can make the booking process slower and more difficult to organize. Second problem is calculations risk. Treatment prices, add-on services, and VIP discount may be calculated manually. This can cause calculation mistakes, especially when there are different services and discounts involved. And then lastly is third problem is incomplete or invalid data. Without proper validations, user may submit incomplete customer information or enter information in an incorrect format. To solve this problem, we propose a Java Swing desktop applications. The system centralizes customer information, service selections, automatic price calculations, receipt generations, booking confirmations, and input validations. Therefore, the proposed system can make the booking process more organized, reduce calculations error, and provide clear feedback to user. Next, I will explain the objective of our project. The first objective is to design an interactive GUI using Java Swing and AWT for real-world booking scenario. The second objective is to organize the GUI professionally using appropriate layout managers. This helps us arrange the components clearly and make the interface easier to use. The third objective is to implement interactive event handling using the event delegations model through action listener. This allows the system to respond when user click the button, such as book appointment, reset form, or exit the system. The fourth objective is to apply input validations and provide clear feedback using J option pane. For example, the system checks whether the customer name or the contact number are valid before allowing the booking to continue. Finally, we aim to use clean coding and professional interaction practices throughout the system. Overall, these objectives help us to develop a functional and user-friendly Java booking applications.
Now, I will explain our proposal system. Our proposal system is a Java Swing-based booking application for Sunflower Building Wellness. The system starts with the customer information section. User need to enter the customer name and contact number. Next, user can select their membership type, either standard or VIP. The standard membership does not receive a discount, while the VIP membership receives a 15% discount. After that, user can select one of the treatment package. The available package are facial care at 120 ringgit, body massage at 150 ringgit, and hair spa at 90 ringgit. User can also select optional add-ons. The available add-ons are aromatherapy for 13 ringgit and hydration mask for 25 ringgit. After the user enters all the required information, the system automatically calculates the gross total, VIP discount if applicable, and final net total. The system then generates a formatted booking receipt. There are also three main actions, which is booking, book appointment, receipt form, and exit system. Importantly, validation is performed before the calculation and booking process. If the validation fails, the system stops the booking process and displays a warning using J option pane. This ensures that users correct their information before continuing. Next is the GUI component. Our system uses different GUI components for input component, display component, control and feedback component. For the input component, we use J text field, J radio button, J combo box, and J checkbox. The J text field is used for the customer's name and contact number. The J radio button is used for membership selection. We have two options, which is standard and VIP. The button group ensures that the user can select one membership at a time. The J combo box is used to select the treatment package. It contains three options, which is facial care, body massage, and hair spa. The J checkbox is used for optional add-on service. User can select aromatherapy, hydration mask, or both. For display component, we use J label and J text area. J label provides clear description for the input field, while J text area displays the booking receipt summary. The receipt area is non-editable, so user cannot accidentally change the generated information. For control component, we use J button. There are three buttons, which is book appointment, receipt form, and exit system. Finally, J option pane is used to provide warning, confirmation, and exit message. These components make the system interactive and easy to use. Next, I will explain our layout management. In our system, we use Layout Manager instead of manually positioning every component. For the main frame, we use border layout. The note section is used for the title or header. The center section contains the main booking content. The sort section contains the action button. For the customer form, we use grid layout. This helps us arrange the customer name, contact number, membership, treatment, and add-on option in a structured way. For the action button, we use flow layout. This allows the book appointment, research form, and exit system button to be arranged neatly. Using layout managers is important because they automatically arrange components and provide better alignment. It also makes the interface more flexible across different screen sizes. Most importantly, our system does not use a null layout or absolute positioning. Therefore, the GUI is organized using appropriate Java layout managers. This slide shows the overall GUI layout of our booking system. At the top, we have the Sunflower Building Wellness Booking System title. Below the title, user can enter their customer information including the customer name and contact number. Next, user can select their membership type. They can choose either standard member or VIP member. After that, they can select their treatment package using the drop-down menu. The available treatment are facial care, body massage, and hair spa. User can also select optional add-ons such as aromatherapy and hydration mask. The system then provides the action buttons. The book appointment button processes the booking. The reset form button clears the current information and returns the form to its initial state. The exit system button closes the application after asking for confirmation. Finally, the booking result is displayed as a receipt summary. Overall, the layout is designed to keep the booking process simple and easy to understand.
Next, I will be explaining about the business logic and price calculation of our system. The system automatically calculates the customer's final payment based on the selected treatment, add-on services, and also membership type. The calculation follows three main steps. So the first step is we calculate the gross total. The gross total is treatment price plus add-on price. Second, if the customer is a VIP member, the system calculates a 15% VIP discount. The discount is calculated by multiplying the gross total by 15%. Finally, the net total is calculated by subtracting the VIP discount from the gross total. For example, if the customer selects facial care, the price is 120 ringgit. If the customer also selects aromatherapy, the add-on price will be 30 ringgit. Therefore, 120 ringgit plus 30 ringgit will give us a gross total of 150 ringgit. If the customer is a VIP member, the discount is 150 ringgit multiplied by 50%, which gives 22 ringgit and 50 cents. Therefore, the final net total is 150 ringgit will be minus by 22 ringgit and 50 cents, which equals to 127 ringgit and 50 cents. If the customer is a standard member, there is no VIP discount. This will automatic calculation helps reduce manual calculation errors and ensures that the final price is calculated consistently. Next, I will be explaining about action listener and also event handling. So for our Java Swing application, we use an action listener to handle user interactions. The basic process is simple. So first, the user clicks a button. Then, the action listener detects the event. After that, the action performed method identifies which button was clicked. Finally, the appropriate method is executed. In our system, action listener handles important buttons such as book appointment, reset form, and also exit system. For example, when the user clicks book appointment, the system first performs validation. It will check whether the customer name and contact numbers are valid. If the information is valid, the system continues with the calculation and generates the booking receipt. If the information is invalid, the system will stop the booking process and displays an appropriate warning message. For the customer's name, the field cannot be empty and only letters and spaces are allowed. The system uses the regular expression, which is open square bracket, A to Z, lowercase a to Z, space, close square bracket, and plus sign. For the contact number, the field also cannot be empty. So the system will check for a Malaysian mobile number format by using *01, open square bracket, 0 to 9, close square bracket, open curly bracket, 8 to 9, close curly bracket, $sign. So for example, valid numbers include 012-345-6789 and also 011-234-56789. Therefore, action listener and validation works together to make the system more interactive, reliable, and also user-friendly. Now, I will demonstrate the booking process flow of our system. First, the user will enter the customer's name and also contact number. Next, the user selects the membership type. The user can choose either standard or VIP membership. After that, the user will select a treatment package from the available options. The user can also select one or more optional add-on services. When all the required information has been entered, the user will click the book appointment button. At this point, the system performs validation. If the customer information is incomplete or invalid, the system will display a warning message and stops the booking process. If the information is valid, the system will continue with the price calculation. The system then calculates the treatment price and add-on price to obtain the gross total. If the customer is a VIP member, the system will apply the 15% VIP discount. Then, the system calculates the final net total. Finally, the system will generate and displays the booking receipt summary. This flow will ensure that the booking is processed in a clear and also in a systematic way.
Now, I will explain the standard member testing. For the first testing sections, we tested the system using a standard member. In this test, we entered valid customer information and selected standard membership. We then selected a treatment package and an optional add-on service. Because the customer is a standard member, the system should not apply the 15% VIP discount. The system calculates the treatment price and add-on price to produce the gross total. Then, because there is no VIP discount, the net total remains the same as the gross total. The output shows the customer information selected, membership, treatments, add-ons, total amount, and booking summary. This test confirms that the system correctly handles standard memberships and does not incorrectly apply the VIP discount. Therefore, the standard member test was successful. Next, we tested the system using VIP member. For this test, we entered valid customer information and selected VIP membership. We selected a treatment package and an optional add-on service. The system first calculates the gross total. After that, it automatically applies the 15% VIP discounts. The system then subtracts the discount from the gross total to calculate the final net total. For example, if the gross total is 150, the VIP discount is 22 ringgit 50 cents. Therefore, the final net total is 120 ringgit 7.50 cents. Then, the output displays the bookings information together with the discount and final amount. This test confirms that the VIP discount is correctly applied, that the final calculation is accurate. Therefore, the VIP member test was also successful.
Next, I will demonstrate the reset and exit button testing. First is the reset form button. When the user clicks reset form, the system clears all the information that has been entered. The customer name and contact number are cleared. The membership selection returned to its initial state. The treatment selection and add-on selection are also reset. The booking receipt area is clear. This allows the user to start a new booking without manually deleting each field. Next is the exit system button. When the user clicks exit system, the application displays a confirmation message. This gives the user an opportunity to confirm whether they really want to close the application. If the user confirms, the system exits. If the user cancels, the application remains open. This test confirms that both buttons perform their intended function correctly. Next, we perform validation testing. The first validation test is a blank customer name. For this test, we leave the customer name field empty and attempt to make a booking. The system checks whether the required customer name has been entered. Because the field is empty, the system does not continue with the booking process. Instead, a J option pane warning message appears asking the user to enter the customer name. This prevents incomplete customer information from being submitted. Therefore, this validation test confirms that the customer name is correctly set as a required field. The second validation test is an invalid customer name. In this test, we enter an invalid value into the customer name field. The system checks the format of the name. Only letter and space are allowed. If the user enters number of unsupported characters, the system rejects the input. A J option pane warning message is displayed to inform the user that the customer name can only contain letter and space. The user must correct the information before the booking can continue. This test confirms that the system can prevent invalid customer name format. The third validation test is a blank contact number. For this test, we leave the contact number field empty and try to proceed with the booking. The system first checks whether the contact number has been entered. Because the field is empty, the system stops the booking process. A J option pane warning message appears and asks the user to enter the contact number. The validation is important because the contact number is required customer information. Therefore, the test confirms that the system does not allow a booking to continue when the contact number is missing. The final validation test is an invalid contact number. For this test, we enter a contact number that does not follow the required Malaysian mobile number format. This means that the number must start with 01 and contain the required number of digits. If the entered number does not follow this format, the system displays a warning message asking the user to enter a valid Malaysian phone number. The booking process will not continue until the user enters a valid number. Therefore, this test confirms that our contact number validation worked correctly. Overall, the validation testing helped ensure that the system receives complete and valid customer information.
Next, I will be explaining about our team collaboration and also role distribution. So our team consists of 3 members, which is Jacqueline Anak David, Tang Jenny, and also me, myself, Zarifah Izian binti Shahrin. So each member was given different responsibilities based on the project requirement. So Jacqueline acted as the project leader and also system design member. She was responsible for coordinating the project and also working on the overall system design. Jenny was responsible for programming and GUI. Her tasks included developing the interface and also implementing the GUI component and interaction. And as for me, myself, I was responsible for calculation, validation, testing, and also documentation. So my responsibilities included implementing the price calculation, validation rules, testing the system, and also preparing the documentation. Although we had different roles, we worked together throughout this project. So all members participated in discussion, development, testing, and also review. We also communicated with each other to make sure that the different parts of the system work together correctly. Through this collaboration, we were able to complete the system and prepare the presentation as a team. So in conclusion, the Sunflower Beauty Wellness booking system successfully provides a user-friendly Java Swing application that simplifies the appointment booking process. The system organizes customer and treatment information in a more efficient way. Throughout this project, we successfully implemented several important Java programming concepts. These include GUI components, layouts manager, action listener, automatic price calculation, input validation, and also J option pane feedback. The system also correctly implements the 15% VIP discount and generates a clear booking summary. Through this testing, we verified the standard member and also VIP member calculations, reset and exit buttons, and different validation cases. So overall, this project demonstrates how Java programming concepts can be applied to solve a real-world booking problem. So our system provides a more organized, reliable, and also professional booking experience for Sunflower Beauty Wellness. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening.